Welcome to my channel, Enquiries. Before we begin the video, please subscribe to this channel. If you are interested in learning unique ways to earn, you will find them on this channel. Thank you. Today I am going to tell you about a website that has been running for many years. I've withdrawn more than $900 from this site. The video is less than 3 minutes long, so please watch it till the end. I will show the live withdrawal at the end of the video. If you want to earn money with an AI plugin on your website, watch this video. In this website, you can also swap crypto coins. For example, if you have USDT, you can swap it for Bitcoin or any other coin. You can also earn coins by chatting on this site, and there is a daily giveaway and a daily lottery ticket. The price of one ticket is 50 cents. I have won the lottery prize 3 times. There are many more ways to earn on this site. If you want more information and videos about this site, you can comment and let me know. When you create an account for the first time, you need to make a minimum deposit. Please note that you should not create multiple accounts on this site, otherwise your accounts will be banned. The joining link is in the description, and I will also pin it in the comment box.